What's up, guys? This is Aaron. So today's video is kind of bittersweet, almost. So today is drop-off day for the E39 to my fab guy to get the wide body work done. And I'm kind of glad it is being dropped off to do that, because I was just getting the before drone shots of the car, and I actually scratched the quarter panel with the propellers, because I turned the obstacle detection off so I could get a close sweeping by. The settings on my drone, the resolution and frame rate that I have picked, it actually crops in and zooms in a little bit, so I didn't realize I was that close to the car. So, is what it is. But luckily that part's getting cut out today or tomorrow anyways for the wide body. So, many of you have been waiting to see this. I have as well. There's not going to be a full-length video of each individual step, so I got the before sweeping shot with the drone today. Whenever I pick it up from my fab guy, it's just going to be that fiberglass black mounted on the car, and then I'll get another sweeping shot of it with that. And the following weekend, so next weekend, I'm dropping it off to my paint guy, and he's going to body work the panels and paint match them and mount them as well. And then once that's done, we'll have a full video detailing before and after. So how it looks now as it sits, stock body with pulled fenders, with wide body non-painted, and then wide body painted. So it could easily be just like a quick TikTok clip, quick Twitter clip, etc. But that's just how I'm wanting to do it. But I do appreciate everyone that has invested in this as much as me, because I cannot wait to see this done. So thanks everyone that are following me on Twitter for the pictures, fucking Instagram, as well as here on YouTube, because they want to see how this turns out. So I appreciate you guys, and I am excited for this. Also, my buddy Nick, he's going to be, my nose itches, sorry. He's going to be recording the actual install of all the work he's doing of the body kit. I'm not sure if he's going to be recording every aspect of it, but I know he's going to record a few tidbits here and there for me, so I can add that in the video as well. So, today's the day. It's happening. I cannot wait. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see y'all when it's done.